Hi everyone, it's Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I want to talk to you about the show me, tell me questions which are part of the practical driving test. Now, on your test you will be asked two questions. One is a show me question, which will be asked while you're on the move, and one is a tell me question, which will be asked right at the start of the test before leaving the test centre. Now, on the tell me question, you've just got to explain how you would do something, and on the show me question, you've got to show them how to do something. So for example, show them how to demist the windows or show them how to wash the window screen while on the move. Now, if you get one of those questions wrong, you'll get a minor fault. If you get both questions wrong, you still only get the original minor fault. The only way you're going to fail for your show me, tell me questions is by a lack of control while showing them how to wash the windows, for example. So maybe you might hit the curb or something like, or take your eyes off the road. For more help and support with your theory test though, you should visit our website www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk and join our online course, or subscribe to our YouTube channel where you will find lots more helpful videos like this one.